up, world. Here it is, coming at you, low-tech style.
This is a JHS SL5300 spring reverb unit from the mid-1980s. It was made in Japan for UK-based company John Hornby Skewes Ltd. It originally sold for £75, which is about £280 in today's money, so although it was aimed at the more budget end of the recording market, it wasn't the cheapest option by far. At the time, you would expect to pay at least £125 for a half-decent reverb unit, but until the mid-1980s it was rare to find a really good unit under £400. It's a 1U rack mountable unit, although all the inputs and outputs are on the front, which isn't ideal when used in a rack. It has two inputs, a high impedance mic input and a low impedance input suitable for line level instruments such as keyboards and drum machines, or the auxiliary send of a mixer. The volume control sets the drive level to the spring, and the reverb depth adjusts the balance between the direct and the reverberated signal. It also features a 3-band EQ. This makes it quite a versatile unit in terms of the kind of sounds you can create with it. Inside the box, the unit's quite empty. A single PCB holds all the electronics and the transformer is mounted well away from everything else to minimise hum pickup. The reverb tank itself is a dual spring device about 6 inches long. I've got an output connected, so if we give the tank a little shake we can hear how it sounds. Had another unit similar to this one where I took out the tank and housed it in its own box. That was so the spring could be accessed in order to create these sounds without having to unscrew the unit. Okay, let's see what this spring effect is like on a few different sounds.
Welcome to the sound. Gonna push this further. Building from the ground.
If you like this video, then check out the channel, there's loads more just like this one, and many more to come, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.
Low tech style.